Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. We're with Tim, and this is his 1961 Ford F100. And Tim is actually Phil's cousin, and we just shot this a little while ago, so there's another video. You'll probably see that. And Tim, can you tell us about your truck?
1961. A cousin of ours bought it brand new. My dad actually serviced it brand new at the dealership he worked at.
Where did he work, out of curiosity?
BMP Ford in Wentzville.
Oh, okay. Phil was talking about that. I've never heard of that store.
Oh yeah, it was well, it was Clement at one time.
Yeah.
Well, that's the same franchise. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Before that was Marshall.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Before it was Marshall. Yes. Yes.
Can I open the door?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Help yourself.
And I'm sorry, what was it? BMT?
BMP.
Oh, BMP.
BMP.
Yeah. Brian, Michael, Patrick.
Ross Martin Punman.
Oh, okay.
Seriously, that's the name of it. That was the name. That was the people.
Yeah.
That had it at the time. Yeah.
So
Ross
related
Martin
to Putman Ford, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They started it back in the 50s, I think, or something. I don't know exactly when.
So you said or your cousin Phil was giving you a hard time because you hadn't done anything with it.
Right. I'd let it sit for a long time, and then thought either I need to do something or get rid of it, and I decided not to get rid of it. Of course, I thought I would.
And what all have you done to it?
Well, in '89, I guess I repainted a fellow that I worked with at Punman. He and I repainted it.
Okay.
And did some of the body work. Now, of course, it's gotten worse, of course. But
yeah,
I put a new seat cover in it. All new brakes, tires. I mean, all the different things. Fixed everything I could. Mostly mechanical stuff, actually.
Yeah. Is that the original bumper?
No, no.
I have never seen a bumper like that.
That's because somebody made that for me.
Okay. Good looking bumper.
Yeah, thanks. I worked at Punman for 43 years, so I knew a lot of people in the industry. And
yeah.
I don't know, somehow or another, I don't even remember how I got the guy to make it for me. He come along and asked me about it and stuff. Yeah.
And what did you do at Putman?
I worked parts.
Okay.
I sold car parts. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sold parts. Yeah. Yeah.
And are those the original hubcaps, or did you have to get?
No, that's all original.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, all original.
Yeah, leaf springs in the back.
Mm-hmm. Leaf springs in the front too. It's got a
I-beam suspension.
Straight axle underneath.
Yeah.
Front end too. Yeah.
And okay, if I open the passenger door.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, open help yourself.
Boy, it's a great color and it's very nice.
Thank you. Yeah, it's
the heater box.
Yeah. For 61, it's in pretty fair shape, I'd say.
Yeah. And is this the vent, I'm assuming?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Air vent, yeah.
Yeah. Ashtray and radio.
Right. Well, that's not all really original. I had to have a radio in it, so that's not 100% original, but.
And it would have been just an AM radio.
Yeah. Well, no, it actually had no radio in it.
Okay, radio delete.
Yeah.
Yep.
Right.
And the gas tanks behind the
behind
seat.
The seat. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
What a blessing!
Yeah.
What a huge thing to have.
Right. Yeah.
And what engine does it have?
It's a 223 inline 6-cylinder.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And can you raise the hood, Tim?
Yeah, I can. There you go.
Oh, heck yeah.
All kinds of power there.
Yeah.
Not really.
No. My first car had a 250, it was a Chevy.
Yeah.
But 250 straight six.
Right, yeah.
And that's the original engine, I'm assuming?
Yes.
And you got an aluminum radiator. Was it running hot?
No, it was $600 to fix the other radiator, and this was only about $200.
Yes.
Money-wise, but it turned out it really runs better with it. Well, not runs so much better, it cools itself a lot better.
Keeps it cool, yeah.
Yeah, it keeps itself cool and runs a lot better than it did before.
Is that the original battery tray?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Because I know those used to rust out a lot.
Yeah, that's all original. Yeah, that's all. Well, I don't know. Yeah, it's original.
Yeah.
Some of it might not be the brackets or something.
Yeah.
A few things maybe aren't, but most of it is. Most of it's all original, from original. Yeah.
Very nice.
Thank you.
So what is your favorite thing about the truck, Tim?
Driving it.
Yeah.
Just driving
That's the
it.
same thing Phil said.
Yeah, just driving it.
Yeah.
Going out and have fun, go and do this kind of stuff. It's
Yeah.
fun. Just to see people and, you know, talk to people.
Yeah.
And I imagine I know a few people here if I really looked in the industry, you know.
There's a great crowd. It's
right,
really
real good
filled
crowd
in.
today. Yeah. There's
Any other quirkiness we should point out before we wrap things up?
No, not really. Not really.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know. The wood bed, I redid all that. I
Yeah.
guess that would be one highlight, maybe. Just
We'll look at it again. I did show it, but since you mentioned it,
Right.
people may be thinking.
yeah,
And I did not shoot the passenger, but you have a mirror on the passenger side as
yeah,
well.
right,
And
yeah.
I know these were really unique.
Those are original.
Wow.
Ones. I actually bought that through.
And you can adjust the arm?
Yeah.
Oh, was that in the parts department?
Yeah.
What was the part number?
C2TZ 17696A, I think.
Wow.
B, I think. Yeah, I think.
I was joking, but you turned on the memory banks.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
There's your wood bed.
Yeah, I got to redo that a little bit. I need to put a new finish on it, but other than that,
Yeah. Well, just a beautiful, beautiful truck, Tim.
thank you. Thank you.
And thank you for telling us the story. I'm going to get your tailgate real quick with the Ford script. Thank you again for sharing your story and
Oh, you're
telling
welcome.
us the
Yeah,
story
I'm
behind your
glad-
truck.
yeah, nice to hear it. Yeah. Dad bought it Dad got it from the original owner in 1974.
Okay.
And then after that, then my dad passed away in '77. So then I ended up getting it after that and drove it. I drove it till about 2000, I guess, and then I parked it and bought a different truck and drove back forth to work. Of course.
Yeah.
And then, I messed with it off and on for several years here and there, and then kids and everything else. The guy, you know, whatever.
Yeah. I was about to say got in the way, but
Well, no, you shouldn't say that so
No.
much. Just, you know, things.
Priorities
Yeah,
shifted.
yeah, exactly. And now, you know, I got great grandkids and great grandkids. So.
oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
Well, thank you again.
You're very welcome. I thank you. That's kind of cool.